with her wings. She doesn't move her lips, yet she sings. She was the first to love, we fit like a glove. Save me from naivety, allow me to be free. What is this world that I can now see? I find myself who I'm meant to be. A world now full of endless opportunity. I really didn't think that this would happen to me. She was the first to love, had the wings of the dove. Chose me and took my hand. I found someone who understands. My eyes are now open. You were everything that I was hoping. You're what my life has been missing every day.